best cheap graphics cards of 2023. Those budget graphics card is going to give you a solid gaming performance without breaking your bank. And whether you are a gamer, video editor or someone who is just looking to upgrade their PCs with new graphics card, this video is for you. In this video, I will show you top 5 best graphics card under $300 which will give you the maximum performance in gaming. Let's get started. Number 5, we have the MSI GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card. This one costs $219. Now it's a 8GB graphics card meant for 1080p gaming. At number 4, we have a super powerful graphics card XFX Radeon RX 6600. It costs less than $200. This is the ultimate value for money graphics card in this list, and if you are on a tighter budget, you can easily pick this one. Then at number 3, we have the XFX Speedstar Radeon RX 7600. It costs $269. Now this graphics card is the upgraded version of this one, and with this graphics card you can play modern 1080p games at ultra presets, and about 1440p gaming you can play them at medium to high settings depending on the title. So this is an excellent latest graphics card in a budget. Then at number 2, we have the PNY GeForce RTX 3060. It costs $259. Now it's a 8GB graphics card meant for 1080p ultra settings gaming and also 1440p entry level gaming. Now if you are looking for Nvidia's graphics card and your budget is under $300 and your plan is to game and stream at the same time, you can easily pick this one. And also this card comes with huge discount, only $259. Usually RTX 3060 sells around $280, $90 and $300, but only for $259 it's a great deal. And finally the moment of truth, the king of the budget graphics card, XFX Radeon RX 6700. It costs only $279, and this is a true 1440p budget gaming graphics card. You can easily play modern games at 1440p resolution with high settings, and also it costs only a fraction of a modern graphics card. So for under $300, it's an unbeatable deal. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching.